So you don't always get a choice of which day you're gonna go out and do some exercise. It just sort of goes with what it is. And up here in Canada, apparently I picked Blizzard Day. So I'm gonna do some snowshoeing and sort of just explore the trail and see where I get to. Let's do this.
Sometimes the path isn't clear ahead of you. It is often marred in disillusion, hardship, struggles, and sacrifice.
When you set out on a journey, you don't see the mountains ahead of you, only the slope that you must climb. The struggles around the corner are still out of sight as you stagger forward with unseeing eyes.
Sometimes the path can be a forest, sometimes it can be a plain. Sometimes it can be up, sometimes it can be down.
You just have to keep moving 1 foot ahead of each other and never look back.
But you must persevere as your destination, either physical or metaphorical, will eventually be reached.
Ultimately, it's up to me on how I'm going to reach that destination, either triumphantly on my feet or seated on my knees.
Choose wisely.
Hiking now for what seems like hours, and it's completely white out here. I have a pretty good idea where I am. Fortunately, my phone has GPS, but yeah, whew, what a day, what a storm. So I think it's about time to turn around and head back. I'm basically just gonna follow my footprints in the snow. It seems the easiest way. I know a couple spots where I can take a shortcut, but overall, yeah, it's been one crazy adventure here today. Back to civilization. Whew. So this here is my observatory dome on the far end of the property, where it's got nice, absolutely clear skies, with the exception of trees behind me. So I'm gonna make my way down the hill into the house, and we're just gonna keep going. Whoo hoo hoo! Almost home, almost cocoa time. As said, much promise, cocoa time. And it's cocoa time. See you in the next video.